In this exciting tutorial, I'm going to show you guys the easiest way to make this beautiful ball gown for this Barbie. You can use the same techniques I'm going to show you to sew for a real human being. So without further ado, let's get into sewing and drafting of this beautiful dress. So if you'd love to watch more videos from me, make sure you subscribe and turn on the notification bell, and also you can give this video a thumbs up. So I'm going to be using this beautiful satin fabric over here. I'm going to be making my circle skirt and joining it to my off-shoulder bustier with a sweetheart neckline. So for the top part, I have my off-shoulder bustier sweetheart neckline pattern that I'm going to be using. So let's start drafting the back. So I'm going to fold my fabric and put my pattern over here. So this is for my back. So I'm going to show you how to make this pattern in my next video. Make sure you subscribe and I'll show you how to draft easily. But in today's video, we're just focusing on the sewing part. So this is the back. I'm going to make 2 pieces for the back. Then for the front, I want this sweetheart neckline. So I'm just going to trim off to make a sweetheart neckline shape. So I'm going to cut 2 pieces for the front also. One fabric will act as a lining and the other one will be the main fabric. So I'm going to use the same fabric for the lining and for the main fabric. So the same satin will act as a lining and the main fabric. So I'm going to cut out 2 pieces for the back and 2 pieces for the front, and like I said, the same fabric will act as the lining as well. So after cutting out, we can now, I'll show you how it looks. So these are 2, this is the front sweetheart neckline. I have 2 pieces, and also the back I have 2 pieces. So now let's work on the bottom part of the skirt. So I have my double circle skirt pattern, and like I said, in my next tutorial I'll show you guys how to achieve this double circle skirt pattern. So make sure you subscribe so that you won't miss out on how I went ahead to make this double skirt pattern. I have my fabric folded, as you can see. Then I'm going to place my pattern and just trace it out, as you can see. Then I'm going to trim out with my pair of scissors. So I'm just trimming out with my pair of scissors. So this is a beautiful technique you can use to make a wedding dress, a ball gown. So this is what we have. Then I'm going to use a full circle skirt. So I have 2 pieces for my back and 2 pieces for my front. So I'm going to place them on top of each other, but the back is going to have a zip allowance. So I'm going to trim off the center back. This is the back and this is the front. 2 pieces, one will be the lining. I'll place them on top of each other, right sides facing each other. Then I'll take it to the sewing machine and stitch along the neckline. So this is the back. I'm trimming off the center back with the scissors. I'm cutting the center back because I'm going to put the zipper at the center back. Then I'm going to start stitching them together. I'll start with the front pieces. I'll place them right sides facing each other. Then I'll stitch from the neckline. I'm going to run a straight stitch. Then after sewing the front pieces together, I'm also going to do the same with my back pieces. Then I'm going to join them together. I'll join the front and back pieces together. So as you can see, I have joined the front and back pieces together. Then I'm going to press them, the seams open. Then I'm going to attach this to my bottom part of the skirt. So I'll just place the right sides facing. Then I'm going to stitch this together, joining the skirt part and the top part. Then I'm also going to attach my zipper. So I'm just going to stitch around. However, on the skirt you should also cut a little opening for the zipper, because the zipper is going to start from the bodice all the way down to the skirt, to part of the skirt. So I didn't film the part where I was cutting the zipper opening of my skirt, but it has to have, as you can see, there's a zipper opening on my skirt as well. So I'm going to hem the bottom part of the dress, then I'm going to give my little Barbie the first fitting, my black Barbie. Okay, so it fits so perfectly. Then next we're going to embellish the dress with some accessories and glue. So I'm going to use these little trims and glue. So I'm just going to cut them out. You can use whatever accessory you want to use on your beautiful Barbie dress. Then I'm going to attach them with glue. So you have to use very durable glue. If your glue is not strong enough, these will come out. Then after putting, this is how beautiful it looks. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe.